Hello and welcome to the Miami VA Healthy Teaching Kitchen. My name is Veronica Garcia and I am a registered dietitian at the Miami VA. I'm here today with Chef Lindo Rodriguez, who will show you how to prepare a delicious carrot soup that uses spices that have both antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, and also supports your digestive health as well.
Hello, we'll be using two spices, turmeric and ginger. Both spices originate from Southeast Asia and is found as a root in its natural form, but is most commonly used as a powder. Turmeric is commonly called the golden spice because of its color. Ginger has a zesty yet warm flavor that has many health benefits.
So for more information on the healing powers of this recipe, please read our blog. We hope you enjoy.